Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be talking about on how to scan for the best swing trades on Finviz.com. Okay, using Finviz. So I will be showing you kind of a screener. I will be showing you the filters, what you need to fill out, tutorial. I don't know how you want to call that, but everything in this video is basically how the title is. Okay, so what you want to do is go right here on Finviz.com. Everything will be explained right here. Okay, I will be explaining you what I'm doing, and throughout of the way, like with every filter that I take, I will be like explaining you what that is or what it means. So what you want to do first of all is go on Fivis.com again, go on screener right here. And right now you're on Fivis.com/screener.ashx. So this is what you're gonna have, right? So what you want to do from here on is first, like, what do I do is I go to the this descriptive, or you could probably go in all, but I will just show you on the way. Okay, I'll go on descriptive, and what do I like want to fill right here will be the relative volume. If you don't know what that is, um but we don't. Okay, so here, yeah, we have the relative volume. What we will want to fill right here will be the relative volume. And as you see, this is the relative volume. The ratio relative volume is the ratio between the current volume and 3-month average intraday adjusted. Okay, so what that means, basically that the relative volume for it to be over one times uh, the the day that. Okay, so what we want to do that, what we want to fill right here is over one. Let me just show you what that is. Our vol for you guys. See, our vol meaning relative volume. Relative volume often times called R vol is an indicator that tells. Let me just make it big. Okay, I hope that you can see that right now. So relative volume, oftentimes called R vol, is an indicator that tells traders how the current volume is compared to the past trading volumes over a given period. It's kind of a rather on how in play a stock is. The higher the relative volume is, the more in play it is. So basically, that means that we want the stock to be more in play. Okay, so we click on over one, and as you can see, this was based on the Friday's results, because the market of course is closed. And as you can see right now, in total we have 1,519 stocks at the moment. So what we want to fill, the second thing will be the current volume. Okay, and we want it to be over 100k or 200k. I sometimes go with over 200 because I basically like how it is. What does the current volume mean? The number of shares traded today. I like a volatile stock. Okay, but let's go with the 100k, and as you can see, the number gets bigger. As you can see, from 800 to 1,000 stocks. So let's go with 100,000 over 100,000. Okay, that's for the current volume, the number of shares traded today, or the number of shares back and forth. You feel me? That day. The next thing that we want to fill right here will be the price. We know basically the price is how much the number of a stock of like basically the current stock price. You feel me? I don't know how to explain that, but I think that you probably you're not that dumb to not understand what the price is. Okay, so what we want to fill right here will be on the. I basically want to capitalize on stock, and I sometimes go under 20. Actually, we have 400 bucks right now, but I sometimes go with under 30. So let's go with the under 30 mark, or like, let's see right here we have 600 stocks. If you go to under 20, we have 400. So let's just go with under 20, so I can be more like capitalize on that. So this is everything that you want to fill out on descriptive. Now, well, like where we want to go is on the technical side of things right here on the technicals. And what we want to fill in the technicals will be the we're going to be using the 20-day simple moving average, the 50-day simple moving average, and the 200-day simple moving average. So what are we going to be filling for the 200-day simple moving average? If you don't know what that is, 200-day simple moving average is of average of closing prices in the mean of the previous 200 days closing prices. So basically the average for the last 200 days and how the stock was being traded and where it closed. So kind of this gives you the average and kind of gives you the trend where the stock is on the chart. Okay, if you're above the 200-day move, excuse me, if you're above the price, if the price is above the 200-day simple moving average, that tells us that we're in a uptrend, and vice versa. Okay, so what we want to fill right here will be the for the price to be above the SMA 200. Okay, just like that. Next thing again, the 50-day simple moving average of a closing price is the mean of the previous to 500 days closing prices. Okay, so what we want to fill right here will be the price to be above the SMA 5 or the SMA 50. We could have also do made sure that the 50-day simple moving average is above the 200-day. Okay, so we can probably basically do something like that, but it is always up to you and it is always to your preference. It's always go with the price. So we want it for the price to be above the SMA 500. We just find it out just like that. 50 now 550. And here we have a 200 the 20-day simple moving average. I don't use that like as often because it's a short term, as you see in the 20 days. But yeah, I will basically what will I do right here is basically for the price to be above the SMA 20. You have 159 stocks, okay, 158 stocks, and you can. I sometimes even do not use that. We have 166, but it's not that big of a difference, so I will use it. Okay, so what I do right here is go in charts, and these are just potential stocks that you could probably trade off. Okay, and yeah, I mean this is basically for the filtering, but I will just show you what I mean. What you like for possible swing trades right here. This will be a possible swing trade. Swing trade. Apathetic Holdings. Okay, Apathetic Holdings. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is basically in the medical devices. ATEC. ATEC, and just like that. Yeah, I think that this is the stock that we're talking about. So this is in a discounting channel. I think that this is on a track of breaking out in this channel. If I'm not wrong, let me go to the daily chart. Yeah, this is the stock. Let me see how it is marked up right here. Okay, basically from here on, and then we have another kind of channel right here, which we are breaking through right now. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and why do I think that this is a potential buy trade? Buzz, like, oh my god, buzz. What am I even saying? But mainly just because, as you see, we have a kind of a breakthrough structure, not a breakthrough structure, but we're close on breaking the structure at that high. This is where we are gonna wait. Okay, like we are not here to kind of, like we're like no one is here to kind of push us in the to kind of tell us what we want to do. So basically, what am I going to be waiting is kind of a pullback around this retest these zones. I think this will be a potential retest area that we are going to be touching before we even push to the upside, break through the structure, and something like this happens. Because yeah, we did have a break through the trend line, but also I think that that we're going to be needing a actual breakthrough high right here, and also we have another highs right here. You feel me? So yeah, we're going to be seeing what will happen with this, but this is just a potential trade, and to show you how to basically screen that, you can basically like right here go and all screenshot this and maybe kind of use it for your swing trades. But that's about it for today's video, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts, and peace out, and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.